Menu planning, a guide to mastering your meals. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's essential in both home kitchens and professional culinary settings: menu planning. We'll explore what it means, why it's important, and how you can master it for your daily life or career. Let's get started on this flavorful journey. Menu planning is the process of deciding what meals to prepare and serve for a given period. It's not just about choosing dishes but also about considering factors like nutrition, budget, and the preferences of those who will be eating. It's a balancing act between creativity, practicality, and health. Why plan your menu? It saves time and money, reduces food waste, and can lead to healthier eating habits. By knowing what you'll cook in advance, you can shop more effectively and avoid last-minute stress. It's also a great way to explore new recipes and cuisines. 1. Assess your situation. Consider your schedule, dietary needs, and the preferences of your family or customers. 2. Choose your recipes. Pick dishes that fit your criteria and ensure variety. 3. Make a shopping list. List the ingredients needed for your chosen recipes. 4. Consider prep and cooking time. Plan dishes that fit into your available cooking time. 5. Be flexible. Be ready to adjust your plan as needed. Start small. If you're new to this, begin with planning just a few meals. Themed nights, Taco Tuesday, Stir-Fry Saturday can add fun and predictability. Seasonal ingredients. Use fresh, seasonal ingredients for better flavor and value. Leftovers. Plan for meals that can be repurposed as leftovers. Home cooking. Focus on family preferences and healthy, affordable options. Restaurants. Balance popular dishes with unique, signature recipes. Special diets. Cater to dietary restrictions and preferences like vegetarian or low-carb options. We hope this video has illuminated the art and science of menu planning for you. Whether you're cooking at home or in a professional setting, these tips and strategies can help you create satisfying, balanced, and enjoyable meals. Happy planning and bon appétit!